When it comes to travel, choosing the perfect hotel for your stay can be tricky. Most of us usually look for hotels that are conveniently located, affordable, and existent. But have you ever tried to book something out of the ordinary? Have you ever thought of booking a place that doesn't even look like a hotel? Or you're not sure if a hotel like this even exists? Maybe you think that I'm fooling around, but trust me, I've got something in store for you. I know you'd laugh at this hotel room until you look inside.
Tänker på det så hänger det ihop och blir en helhet i det hela.
Number 8. The Mirror Cube Tree Hotel, Sweden. The Mirror Cube is an exciting hideout among the trees, camouflaged by mirrored walls that reflect their surroundings. This tree hotel in the far north of Sweden, close to the Arctic Circle, is like a shelter up in the trees with exteriors that reflect the surroundings and the sky, creating a camouflaged refuge. The interior is all made of plywood, and the windows give a 360-degree view of the surroundings. It blends cutting-edge architecture and design with home comforts like tea and coffee makers and free Wi-Fi. Guests can also enjoy tree dining, a unique experience where dinner is served at 10 meters high up in a tree. At Tree Hotel, you can also experience the charm of all 4 seasons, regardless of whether you like speed and adventure or tranquility and time for reflection. In the summer, guests can enjoy hiking, kayaking, or explore the surroundings on fat bikes. Activities such as dog sledding, snowmobiling, ice fishing, and snowshoeing are possible in the winter season. Interestingly, to prevent birds from colliding with the reflective glass, a transparent ultraviolet color is laminated into the glass panes, which are visible for birds only. It's an amazing and magical experience, one that you shouldn't miss.
Because we're in international waters, we could have turned this into a casino, a brothel, or even declared our own nation.
Number 7. The Frying Pan Hotel, South Carolina. So this ex-Coast Guard light station, located 35 miles off the coast of North Carolina, once helped ships avoid nearby shallow areas. But today it functions as an extreme hotel with 8 ocean-facing rooms. The light station, called the Frying Pan Tower, has become a new destination for those who enjoy off-the-grid travel. It offers rooms to those who are willing to charter a helicopter or hire a powerboat to reach it. What's not to like? Although it sounds pretty scary, this former Coast Guard station turned B&B is worth traveling to for an unforgettable experience where you can literally get away from it all and experience the ultimate stargazing extravaganza or watch unforgettable sunsets with uninterrupted views for miles around. Bought at auction by a software engineer, Richard Neal, back in 2010, the abandoned structure has been slowly and lovingly restored over 2 years by Richard and his pals, with the help of those brave enough to volunteer along the way. If you're feeling adventurous, you can get out in a boat and catch your supper. During the day, you can also explore the underwater and dive with turtles, black sea bass, mahi-mahi, and even sharks in the warm Gulf Stream waters.
Turning the tables is part of the gag. 0 stars doesn't mean bare bones basics.
Number 6. Stern Hotel, Switzerland. In the middle of the Swiss Alps with no roof and no walls, this is the world's only 0-star hotel, as Null Stern literally means. So the hotel's tagline says, "The only star is you," which draws attention to you as a guest. The Null Stern Hotel aimed to break the age-old approach to hospitality in a country known for its luxurious top-star mountain and lakeside resorts. When you check into this hotel at an altitude of 3,900 feet in the eastern Swiss Alps, all you get is a double bed, a couple of bedside tables with bed lamps, and an unobstructed view of the Swiss Alps. At the Null Stern Hotel, room service comes in the form of local farmers dressed in bow ties with white gloves and work boots. The closest toilet is a 10-minute walk away at a restaurant, and if you're looking for some entertainment, you may find it in the form of a Swiss cow. But remember, reservations can be canceled on short notice because of poor weather conditions. Hey, but don't worry, an alpine hut serves as a backup in case of bad weather.
How'd you sleep, Mama?
I slept great.
Breakfast is up there.
Number 5. The Sky Lodge Hotel, Peru. Located in the sacred valley of Cusco, Peru, the exclusive Sky Lodge Adventure Suites offers you the chance to sleep within a completely transparent hanging bedroom that allows you to appreciate the impressive view of the magical and mystical valley. To sleep at Sky Lodge, people must climb 400 feet of Via Ferrata or hike an intrepid trail through zip lines. One night at this place will make your dreams come true. This gorgeous hotel looks like a spaceship and is lodged at 1,200 feet in the air. In the morning, you could wake up to the jaunty call of the majestic flying condor, the royal blue Hiram Bingham train chugging away in the distance, or the euphoric excitement of being in a transparent capsule above the staggering Sacred Valley. In the morning, the valley is a rugged, unpredictable canvas terraced by maize, chili peppers, and cocoa plantations, and traversed by the reticent Urubamba River. And as the sun retreats into the Andes Mountains, the Peruvian sky looks like an inky blanket dotted with a jillion stars from the spaceship-like accommodations of the Sky Lodge Adventure Suites. This hotel is perfect for adventure-seeking couples. Number 4. The Crane Hotel, Veralda, Amsterdam. The Crane Hotel Veralda, an industrial crane-turned-design hotel, is Amsterdam's most unusual design hotel. A converted, brightly painted industrial crane with epic city views from its rooms and rooftop spa pool. It attracts celebrities, DJs, and travelers who don't suffer from vertigo. There are only 3 luxury split-level suites here, each with a unique design aesthetic, steep steps up to the mezzanine bedroom, and bathrooms with rain showers. On top of the crane is an outside spa pool for all the suites, in which you can enjoy a glass of champagne while overlooking Amsterdam. The hotel also offers a bungee jump from the top of the crane, where you go down 50 meters. A lasting icon of Amsterdam's industrial shipbuilding heritage, this exclusive hotel is situated atop a monumental harbor crane beside the river Isch. Those with a head for heights should certainly consider staying a night in this one-of-a-kind hotel.
The igloo type, and this is an igloo number 9. So let me get in.
Number 3. The Hotel Kakslainen in Finland. So what could be better than seeing the northern lights from the comfort of your bed? The Arctic resort here in Finnish Lapland allows you to do just that. Just north of the Arctic Circle, the resort sits on 1,200 acres and features 65 igloos to sleep in. Made of glass, they allow for unobstructed views of the aurora borealis and even come equipped with an aurora alarm, so guests don't miss out on a thing. In fact, the roofs of the igloos are made of thermal glass to allow the room to remain warm without disrupting the viewing area. The area around the resort is perfect for outdoor activities. In the wintertime, you could try skiing, ice fishing, cross-country skiing, husky or reindeer safaris through the forest, or icebreaker cruises across the frozen bay of Bothnia. In the summer, try horse riding, husky or ATV safaris, hiking, mountain biking, fishing, kayaking, or gold panning. Hey, who knows? Maybe you can find that huge gold nugget. This is probably one of the best places in the world to discover the polar circle.
Alone at last. This man is an island.
Number 2. The Manta Resort, Tanzania. Located on Pemba Island in Zanzibar, the Manta Resort is a remote, luxurious hotel famed for its underwater room that allows guests to enjoy the marine life of the Indian Ocean from the comfort of their bed. The underwater room at the Manta Resort is incredibly unique and special, perfect for those looking for a night to never forget. Anchored 250 meters offshore of the Pemba Island, it's a timber structure that features an underwater bedroom, a comfortable lounge area on the landing deck, and a daybed that sits on the top of the structure. So you really can feel on top of the world and below the ocean in the same day. The resort is the archetype of an idyllic, remote, untouched tropical getaway. At night, spotlights illuminate the reef and passing fish, making for an ever-changing but peaceful scene to drift off to. Access to superior snorkeling and diving are certainly major factors for this resort.
I am about to spend the night in the Snow Village Ice Hotel.
Number 1. Snow Village Ice Hotel, Finland. Nearly 200 kilometers above the Arctic Circle lies a unique, magical world made from ice and snow. Each year, around 20 million kilos of snow and 350,000 kilos of crystal-clear natural ice are used to build the spectacular Lapland Hotel's Snow Village, which changes in shape, size, and design to amaze visitors year after year. Here you can drink from ice glasses at a bar made of ice, dance in the igloo disco, maintain your devotional practice in the ice chapel, and at night retire to your room made of snow where you sleep on specially insulated blankets, the LED lights shining like fireflies within an ice chandelier. So 2 of the most popular things that you could do in the Snow Village are Dress warm and enjoy a shot of peppermint vodka served in an iced glass, which you could then smash onto the floor. Hey, trust me, you would not be made to pay for the shattered glass. Alright, so what do you think? Which of these hotels amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure you do subscribe and like us, and I'll see you next time right here on the channel. Until then, it's goodbye.